Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Wombat Games, where today we are continuing the series and introducing episode 4 of the How to Make a Website in our HTML series. But before we get into it, make sure to subscribe and press the bell so you know exactly when these videos pop up, and follow my Instagram at wombat_games_YT so you know behind the scenes footage, my uploading schedule, everything. Let's get into it. So today I will be showing you guys headings in depth. This includes thematic breaks, font sizes, styles, colors, tooltips, and the new head element. So this head element goes in between the HTML and the body. Now the head element is the container for the metadata, which is obviously the data about your HTML that won't be seen. So as you can see, our char set is UTF-8. This is the preferred encoding for emails and web pages, so this is what we're going to use. Now, most of the content in this video is going to be about attributes. Make sure to watch the last video about elements and attributes right now. So we are introducing a few attributes. We've got title, which is a tooltip. So a tooltip is shown, as you can see here. This is a tooltip. Now, all you basically do is type in title equals, make sure to remember to do those quotation marks. Now we can do style. Now style, there's a lot of attributes within style personally. We've got font sizes right here, we've got font types and font families, and we've also got colors. Now as you can see, we have put all three of them into our heading to show what our heading is, because headings are very important in websites and web pages, as the users just skim over the headings when they're scrolling through a website. They don't read all the content, they just skim over it. So headings are very important in catching the reader's attention and the eye. So getting the font size, font style and color is very important. Now, as you know, we have in a HTML, there are headings 1 to 6. Heading 1 is the biggest one, and it scales down to heading 6 being the smallest one. So, as you can see here, we have another attribute, style, which is the font size, which we can make 36 pixels. We can make it larger. We can do 64 pixels, as you can see here. It makes it bigger. We can do anything. We can even do percentages. We can do 245% if you like. If that's a different way of doing it. But that percent is of the original size, and of course you do have to get rid of the px, which stands for pixel size. So if we do 245 pixels, that's going to be way too big. So let's just bring it back down to 50 pixels so we can continue with this tutorial. There you go. And next, with the headings in depth, we've got a font family. Now, font families are important as you can do different types. They can engage a reader, a user, into looking at your website. So you have to make sure that this is the right type. So as you can see, if we don't add this font family Verdana, if I just take that away, the syntax aren't right, just ignore that. But if I take that away, it is just the default style. So we don't want that. We want to put it back. We want Verdana back, because that's encouraged the reader to come, welcome to my website. And last of all, we have a color. Now, I could choose any color. I could choose red, I could choose blue, but I've chosen to go in with green because I think it fits in with my logo. I think black does too, gold does, I guess, fit with my logo. But yeah, as you can see here, these are attributes as they are in the start tag of the H1. As these attributes are used in the heading, you can use it anywhere. You can make the color of the paragraph blue, like you just type in style equals, put the quotation marks as always, color, and then just type in blue and end that. And if you save that and reload, there you go, it is blue. Now you can do this for the list items as well, as it can go into anything. Just do the color, and then I will do yellow. Just change it up a little bit. Yep, as you can see, that is very hard to see, but the mango is yellow after I fixed up that little syntax error that I had. So as you can see, you can add these attributes to anything. You can add the title attribute, which is a tooltip, to the paragraphs. As you can see, when you hover the mouse above welcome to my website, it pops up, this is a tooltip. You can add it to anything, any element at all, I'm pretty sure, except for empty elements. Make sure to watch until the end of this video so you know for sure. Last of all, we have a thematic break. And what a thematic break is, it's a way of separating content between, for example, a heading and the paragraph and other content like we have done here. It is simple as just typing in HR as an empty element similar to BR, saving your work, and then just reloading the page, and you'll be shown with this line across it. Now you can do that anywhere. Say I can do it between the end of my list and the website reference that I have at the bottom of the screen. So let's try that. We just go into our body, type in that bracket, type in HR, end that bracket. Make sure to save your work and reload the HTML. And there we've got a thematic break separating one piece of content to another piece of content. So that's it for this episode, this tutorial. It was just a quick one, but it's very important if you're wanting to design and create your own website. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you know when my videos are popping up and you know exactly how to make the best website. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day. Bye. And in the next tutorial, episode 5, I'll be providing an in-depth explanation of paragraphs and provide a whole new pre-element to this HTML tutorial. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe so you know when this video is up. Thank you, and I'll see you later.